Hey guys, it's Joseph. We've been getting a lot of questions about our new fans, the SP120 RGB and the HD120 RGB. So I'll do a quick rundown on both models and explain what the differences are. The SP120 RGB fans have 4 LEDs that are synced together and mounted onto the fan hub. It provides you with soft lighting and a very subtle glow effect. The SP120 RGB has 4 modes: static, flicker, pulse, and a combination of flicker and pulse. Each mode has 3 speeds and 7 different colors that you can change to your preference. Now with the HD120 RGB fans, they have a total of 12 LEDs that are mounted around the frame. The big difference here is that these LEDs can be individually controlled. With 12 LEDs, the HD120 RGB will provide you a more vibrant effect. The HD120 has 7 modes: static, pulse, flicker, sequential, marquee, rainbow, and demo mode, which runs through them all. In the end, both of our RGB fans